So you might be in a weird situation where your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or Android, but there is no sound coming up from these specific AirPods. Now there's a few reasons why this may end up happening, but the very first thing you want to go ahead and do is just make sure that these specific AirPods were even completely connected to your iPhone in the first place. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you can either just bring your AirPods close up to your specific iPhone like this, and if it shows up like a connection panel like this, well, that basically means these were never connected to your AirPods. So that's basically the first thing. However, if you do, put them close and it shows you your battery or your AirPods or whatever the case is, well, what you're going to want to do there is you want to go and make your way over to your Bluetooth settings of your specific AirPods. So go and get into your Bluetooth settings like this. You would then want to go ahead and scroll up till you see Bluetooth. All you want to do is make sure that those AirPods actually show up properly. Now you can see when I come up, my AirPods are actually disconnected for some reason. So this happens sometimes if your AirPods, you think you're connected or not. So just tap on the AirPods as you normally would, reconnect them, and sometimes that's probably all you're going to have to do. Sometimes you have to go into your Bluetooth settings to do it. It's totally okay. Now, if they're connected there and it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is you want to go and increase the volume of your AirPods. So you can swipe down from your specific AirPods or your iPhone or Android, whatever it is, and all you want to do is increase the volume. So you can increase the volume and you can set it to whatever value you want to do it. And after that, you should be able to go ahead and see that your AirPods are, the volume at least is working now. If that's still not working, you may want to make sure that in that application that you're in, that you may not have to actually turn the sound on, or if there's a, problem with that specific application. So for example, in certain photos or videos that you have, if you actually go ahead and open up, or, play a video, you will actually have to go ahead and basically click the volume up button to actually play it. So you can see at the bottom there's a mute button. You might want to make sure for that song or for that video you're watching that there isn't actually a mute button associated with that specific video. Because if there is, well then you're going to have to basically unmute it. And that's basically all you're going to have to do there. So if that's still not working, try updating your phone. That may end up fixing it. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.